They said tsunami coming back. These motherfuckers still coming down the hill, coming into the parking lot like the store's open and shit. I'm like, these niggas done left the store. You need to be going up yonder. Donald's still open though. I'm like, golly. I'm on my way up yonder, Joe. You know what I'm saying? It was just an earthquake over there off of Russia, so they trying to send something to NAGA. But, you know, most I got something for the ass. All right, I keep going.